Something's wrong here. This dishwasher panel is showing me an error code. However, many dishwashers don't have a digital display and so can only show error codes through a series of lights. So join me for a couple of minutes while I explain all. So the only way modern appliances can tell you something is wrong is by presenting you with an error code. Now, error codes are very manufacturer and model specific. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how you can identify error codes for Hotpoint and Indesit dishwashers only. If you want help with a specific error code, then visit the Hotpoint or Indesit service YouTube channels or click on any of the links that appear at the top of the screen during this video. Before I begin though, if you need assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint dishwasher error code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint dishwasher errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. So how do you know what error code you're looking at? Well, if you're fortunate enough to have a dishwasher with a digital display, it'll actually show you on the screen. However, as mentioned, many dishwashers don't have a display like this, and so can only show you through a series of lights. So if your appliance doesn't have a display, simply match up your flashing lights with the ones on the website to work out which error codes you have. So there you go, that's how you read error codes for a Hotpoint dishwasher. And remember, there are specific videos for specific error codes that you can find on the Hotpoint service YouTube channel. But to book your local engineer or live chat with one of our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.